We just can't help ourselves. We're at Dollarama again. We found some more greenery. So it's time to build a boxwood hedge. Yeah, you're my thumbnail.
Oh, okay. So what are we gonna do next?
We're gonna hang this stuff inside the tent.
But what's gonna be our next project?
You tell me.
I don't know.
What's up, guys? Lee here, the bartending, photo boothing, rental guy, and we're gonna do Boxwood Hedge in under a minute. Just kidding, we can't get all that video goodness in 1 minute. It's gotta be way more. So, boxwood's expensive, or this is expensive to make, even at $2 a piece. So the idea behind it is to use the least amount possible to make it the most profitable rental item. So the inspiration behind the Boxwood Hedge is like cake tables and like champagne Boxwood Hedge backdrop and stuff like that. So yeah, we built the Boxwood Hedge Greenery. So check it out. Here's some clips of us doing it. So the Boxwood Hedge Greenery is only $2 each in Canada right now at Dollarama. So woo! All right, go buy some boards. Right here, this is 2 feet 11 inches across. I cut one board and I used it as a staple to cut the rest. So I measured this one and then used this one to measure the rest of them. Let's build it.
Okay.
Okay, so I've got one almost finished right there, and I cut some more. So we're gonna double it up to make the other side of the Boxwood Hedge frame. So we lost our third staple gun, so we just went out and finally bought an electric one.
Should I do something with my hair?
No, your hair looks beautiful.
And me a piece. I thought it looked good.
Looks awesome.
So what are we gonna do next?
We're gonna hang this stuff inside the tent.
But what's gonna be our next project?
You tell me.
I don't know. I'm gonna have to find some inspiration.
Let's do it. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you liked this video, please smash the like button, subscribe if you haven't, and as always, you stay classy.